Alright, so I'm going to be showing you guys the office that has helped me made over $100,000. This is the same office that I've started at my digital marketing agency, and so I'm about to show you guys what it looks like. So welcome to the office slash bedroom. Alright, so here we go. Honestly, I didn't even want to make this video. Alright, so welcome to the office, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and close my door here. And this is it right here. This is the office, nothing special. This is the office where it all began. My six-figure digital marketing agency. As you can tell, this is my bedroom. This is my bed. That's my inspirational canvas. We got my closet right over here. And you know, to be honest with you guys, when I made this video, and this is my workspace, obviously, this is where my computer, this is where it all goes down. This is the same computer, same setup, everything right here is the same, where I've been able to make over 6 figures. And I'm gonna go ahead and log into my Stripe account as we speak so that we could just show you guys live that I'm logging in, and I don't use any Photoshop or anything like that. So I'm gonna go set it to all time, and let's see if you guys can see this here. So all time, well, this is 2018. We're gonna put it to 2019 because that's when I got my first client in April, right? Bam. So as you can see here, I'm gonna go ahead. I don't know if you guys can see these numbers, but we got 146K and we netted 135K. Average spend per customer is 2,600. So look, guys, not using it to show off or anything. I'm just saying what is possible. It doesn't matter. You don't need a nice bedroom. You don't need to be living. You don't need to trust somebody that flexes the Lamborghini or lives in a big house in front of the ocean. But you know what? Eventually, I do want to get my own nice place, a nicer place. So that we can have a better background, and maybe my videos are easier to watch or nicer to watch because everyone likes to see nice things, right? But look, guys, this is the same bedroom that I started my 6-figure agency. We're consistently making over 10K every single month, and I honestly, when I started out with my agency, I didn't think I was going to be able to do it. Because obviously I didn't have any experience, I didn't have any techs, because I didn't go to college to graduate. I didn't graduate with a marketing degree. I actually graduated in something totally different. But this is kind of like the home tour. I can show you guys a little bit more. So we got the closet. Obviously up here we have the the stressful days when we need to take a break. We got the Henny bottle. We got a Patron bottle of tequila. We got another tequila bottle right down over there. You can see that. And just every now and then pop bottles every time we sign a new client. We got my awards from this stuff needs to get taken down. Honestly, this is from like middle school and high school. And so obviously, as you can tell, my room is like super outdated. As you can tell with the desk, everything is really outdated. So you guys can roast me all you want. That's why I didn't really want to make this video, but I wanted to just show you guys that, there's nothing has to be crazy. You could do this from your bedroom. You could do it from your basement, your attic. You just need one of these things right here. It's like an internet connection or some Wi-Fi. And that's all you really need, guys, to build a digital marketing agency. I literally built it. This is my setup. This is my mic from my YouTube. There's my computer that I've used to build up my entire agency without any marketing experience. My room is pretty small. I mean, as you can see, I'm just walking around, but there's not that much space to walk around. There's my jersey, Jordan. And let me just share some knowledge so I can, so yeah, you guys can take away something from this video. When I started my agency, obviously I had no idea what I was doing. I literally just used my computer. I cold emailed. I did cold calls here at this same desk. I've taken sales calls here at this desk. I failed a lot. I literally work here till like 3-4 in the morning, just testing things out, trying to figure out what works and what doesn't. And when one of my goals when I first started out my agency was, the reason why I started this whole thing, the reason why I started my agency in the first place was because I wanted 3 things. Right? I wanted location freedom, being able to work from anywhere in the world, not having to be somewhere at a specific place, having to clock in at work. I've been there. I've worked a 9 to 5. I've done that before. So I know what it's like to have to go somewhere or be somewhere that you don't really want to be at. You kind of want to just be in the comfort of your own home. Now, obviously, not everyone wants to work from their home because they feel less productive or whatever. But location freedom allows you to work at the beach, in any other country, anywhere you want to travel. All you need is an internet connection, and that's what I wanted. The next thing I wanted was time freedom, right? Just being able to have more time to myself, right? Today, what's today? Today is Tuesday, August 11th, 2020, and I'm here at home. I don't have to be anywhere, be somewhere. I don't have to clock in and be somewhere from 9 to 5 or waste my time anywhere. I could literally go to the beach today if I wanted to. I can go play basketball with my friends, which I am later today. I can make YouTube videos. I can spend my time, my days, just doing what I want to do. And part of that is obviously growing my business, and so I do spend a lot of time growing my business, but I enjoy that, right, guys? Do something that you enjoy, do something that you love, and find a vehicle that helps get you to your goals, right? To whatever life that you're trying to live. So obviously, the ultimate life that I'm trying to live is have freedom in my life, and I'm using digital marketing. I might not be super in love and passionate about digital marketing, although I do enjoy it. I'm not the best at it. I'm not number one. I'm not a number one well-known digital marketer or anything like that, but I've been able to use this as a vehicle to get me to my goals or my dream life in a sense, right, which is more freedom. And then the last thing obviously is financial freedom, right? Everyone wants more financial freedom. That's we can say that money doesn't make you happy and all that thing and things like that, but at the end of the day, if you have your financials right, then you're going to be more comfortable, right? You're going to live a more comfortable life. You don't need the luxuries, right? You don't need the LV stuff. You don't need the nice cars. You don't need the nice house. As you could tell, like, after making 6 figures within, less than a year, or it's been almost 2 years now, but it's almost been 2 years for my agency in November. I started my agency in November 2018, but even making over 10K per month every single month, like, my life hasn't really changed, to be honest. I haven't really bought anything. I haven't purchased a car. I haven't bought a house. I haven't upgraded my room, as you could tell. I haven't even done that, and I'm in a position where I can do that, but I'm not even focused on that as of right now, because I'm more focused on growing my agency and just improving things like that. But I've been able to live more comfortably. So I can eat better food. I could take a trip to San Diego, which I did this past weekend, and my agency is still running on its own. So just the financial freedom side, guys. Financial freedom doesn't mean, I gotta go out and buy the most expensive stuff, the nicest stuff and things like that. It's really about living comfortably and just, knowing that you don't have to, work from check to check and hoping to pay rent and things like that, right, guys? So really my daily routine, guys, is, here's my bed. And really, like, some of the days when I don't feel like working out, when I get lazy, which doesn't happen too often, I literally just roll out of bed. Like, I can literally, my bed is not that high, so I can literally just roll out, and because some people drag their way to their work or whatever, but I roll out of my bed and I just come onto this chair right here, and I just turn on my computer and we can just start working. So right there and then, I just saved like an hour of commuting to work, or however far it is that it takes to go to work, and I could just start working from my computer. So that allows me for another thing. I can wake up later, right? And some days I do wake up a little bit later because I sleep late the night before for whatever reason. But there's some nights where I like to work late at night too, because You know, it's kind of the same as the morning, to be honest. When you work late at night, it's just as quiet. No one's bothering you, everyone's asleep and things like that, and no one's really talking. It's really quiet later at night, right? No one's hitting you up or anything like that. So, you know, I enjoy working late at night as well. But yeah, guys, that's really what this is my office tour. I guess I want to show you guys this. Like I said, I didn't really want to make this video because it's kind of embarrassing. Not embarrassing, but it's not the most, you know, eye-catching, eye-pleasing. It's nothing crazy, but you know, I just wanted to share you know, my office, my bedroom with you guys, and just kind of show you guys what's possible. Like, if I'm able to just literally just use this little section right here to build a six-figure agency, obviously that's my my vision board and my goals and kind of like my things like that. I have my handy dandy little notebook right here. This is where I write down all like kind of like my planning, things I gotta do. I got my TV right here. I got a PS4 down there to watch Netflix, play some video games if I get bored. I have everything I need is in this room, right? I don't really need anything else. Everything I need is in this room. Obviously, when I go eat and stuff, I just go out to my kitchen. But yeah, guys, it's you know, it's crazy that I envisioned you know, being able to work from anywhere in the world, preferably like my home, just because I don't have to go anywhere, and just being able to be a little bit more financially free. I'm not like the richest person or whatever. I'm not making seven figures or anything like that. But however, the income that I've been able to generate has definitely allowed me to live a much more comfortable life. You know, I don't have to really think about things when I want to purchase something. If I want something, if I like something, I can purchase it. I don't have to, you know, I don't know anymore. So, you know, I'm able to do that. And just like I said, being able to work from home, the time freedom that comes along with it. So, you know, for those of you who are wondering, you know, what running a digital marketing agency is like, what being an agency owner is like, you know, this, you know, it's this right here. I mean, this is a normal person. I'm not living in some crazy penthouse or anything like that, which I could do. Like I said, I've actually looked at it one before, but you know, as of right now, because I know some people, like, Jordan, why you're making good money, man? Why don't you just go get a nice spot, man? Like, why don't you just go out to move out to Newport Beach or something like that, right? And I've looked into it, I've thought about it, and you know, I haven't pulled the trigger yet. And the reason for that, guys, is because I want to save up, you know, as much money as possible to purchase a nice home. I want to own a home myself. I also want to invest in real estate. I want to own rental properties and stuff like that, right? So I'm thinking kind of like more of the long term. I'm not really just, you know, trying to make a big purchase just because I think I made it, right? I've trained myself to stay disciplined and you know, not spend and still mentally think that I'm poor. Like, I honestly, that's like my mentality, and that's why I haven't made any purchases, because you know, I gotta keep myself humble, keep myself working. And because if I get too comfortable, then I'm gonna start getting lazy. I'm not as motivated and things like that. So, you know, honestly, my mentality is, you know, I've disciplined myself to believe that I'm not there yet. I'm not rich, and I'm really not. Like, I'm not. You know, and just thinking that, you know, this can all disappear. This can all go away tomorrow, today, right? You know, my agency could shut down for whatever reason. My YouTube channel, well, I'm not making anything for my YouTube channel, but you know, my mentorship program, like everything could be shut down. Like, everything could go away. So just having that mindset of, you know, no matter where you're at, just gotta keep hustling, gotta stay ambitious, gotta write down your goals, gotta keep taking the necessary steps to get to where you want to be at. And yeah, guys, this is my room. I don't want to make this video too long, guys. I'm gonna go right over here. This is it. This is a normal person making, we made $17,000 in the month of July. So, you know, that's all from this bedroom. It's nothing fancy, nothing crazy. Desk needs to be updated. The paint color needs to be updated. This room size, bedroom, bed, everything here needs to be updated. And you know what, guys, it's all good because, you know, none of my friends even chill in my room. We go kick in the living room. But this room is specifically for sleeping and business, getting to work, right? So yeah, guys, this is it. That's it. That's all. I'm nothing special. Just a computer. That's all you really need, guys. And it doesn't even need an iMac. You can just a simple $200 laptop, or a laptop that can connect to internet, have a phone so you can talk to prospects, or hire a salesperson to do that for you. And you just need to have a service that you can deliver, right? So whatever service it is that you have, that you know, that you can offer in exchange for money. In my case, I offer Google lead generation. We do that through Google Ads and high converting landing pages. And that's what I offer to my clients, and that's how I built up my 6-figure agency. So that's kind of like step number 1, have a skill that you can offer in exchange for money. Step number 2 is, you know, start doing your outreach, have outreach methods so you can reach out with prospects, fill your calendar up with prospects, and then close those prospects, right? Whether it be yourself or have a salesperson do that for you if you're not good at sales like myself. I don't like doing sales. I don't like getting on the call and doing sales. So I have someone else doing that for me. And that's it, guys. It's that simple. Other than that, consistency, put in the work, and you're going to get it, right? This is the bedroom, guys. That's it. This is it. Nothing special, right? This is a not nasty. I don't want to call my bedroom nasty, but this is not the greatest looking bedroom. But I made it possible, guys. I made it possible, and eventually I'm gonna get a nicer spot. So stay tuned. Stick with the journey. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Give it a big thumbs up if you appreciate where I came from. I guess this is where it all started. This is where all the journey started. And comment below what you guys think about my bedroom. Don't roast me too much. I know, like I said, I know it's not the best looking bedroom, so don't roast me too much. Other than that, join the Facebook group if you guys are more interested about learning my automated systems, how I've been able to start and scale my agency from scratch. Then there's a link in the description where it's my 80-minute webinar training. You can learn all of my systems and things like that. All right, other than that, I'll see you on the next video. My name is Jordan Lee. Peace.